Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is removing the switchbacks and just putting the new ones that I have received. I'll put the company's Instagram on there, and also I have a link for a discount code. So if you want to save some money, help me out, help them out. They sent me these to review, so you go check them out, and if you like what you see, go ahead and purchase whatever lights you need for your vehicle.
Okay, so these headlights are from AUXITO, I believe. AUXITO, amber to white. I didn't check it off, and I believe they're 1157s. They have lights for a bunch of different vehicles, headlights, switchbacks, fog lights. So whatever you need, they have. They're a good price also. So hit the link below. These are the lights. Now they did say they were plug and play, because I didn't want hyper flash, right? But so they came with this. So you got to splice the wires to not get the hyper flash, it looks like. For those that don't mind splicing wires, it's not going to be an issue for you, and they are cheaper than just the actual plug and play, like the LED headlights that I just put in. So I'm just gonna install them like this. I don't care about the hyper flash. If they burn out in 6 months like those ones, they burn out. But I would definitely want to get some that plug in without the resistors, because I don't like splicing or cutting wires or anything like that. I don't trust myself doing that, and it's just, I find it's messy, so I'd rather just everything OEM, plug in, play. So these, pretty much, that's what happened to these. These were hyper flashing. They burnt out in 6 months, I believe. One of them burnt out in no time, so we'll see how much longer these ones last with hyper flash. They don't put a code on in your car. Like, I know for the 4th gens, if you get the DRLs that don't have the built-in resistors, then you will get the DRL light in your dash. But just the switchbacks, they don't give you the light, so that's why I'm not concerned about just putting them like that. I don't care about the hyper flash. You just put on your blinker and it blinks quicker. To me, that's no big deal. If anything, that's just better. People see it more. So anyways, it's very simple. So it does have a nice rip open, tear open side. Very simple to get to. We're gonna go ahead and plug these in. I believe it doesn't really matter which way it goes in, because either way it looks the same. So you just go ahead and nice and snug in there. That's one, and then we'll go ahead and install the other one. My car's been sitting all winter. As you see, when I started this video, it was before the winter. That's why I had like different headlights, and then over the winter I painted them and took out the amber. So now my car is dead. It needs to be boosted, so it needs to be boosted with supercharger too, but I need to boost the battery to get it started. So let's go ahead. I mean, it's hard to tell in the video, but those LED switchbacks are super bright. I'm gonna turn the blinker on and see if it hyper flashes. Yeah, does hyper flash, but whatever.
Hard to tell in the daytime, but they look so much better. You definitely need LED switchbacks, because like OEM, it's just amber and it just looks really bad, I find. But that LED, it just looks so much cleaner. So definitely, if you want to set, click the link in the description. I believe 09 to 11 is a different code, so you'll have to contact them. Thanks to AUXITO, I'm going to call it AUXITO, for the lights, and thanks for watching, and lots more to come. Currently trying to get rid of the F-150. I know I'm back and forth all over the place with what I'm doing with the channel, but I'm just trying to figure out the best way to keep the channel alive and not be broke. So yeah, these headlights, they came out pretty good. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit, like give them a buff. They were cleaner, but yeah, when the sun hits them, they're horrible. But if you're not once the sun goes down, it looks a lot better. But yeah, I love them. It's just something unique. I haven't seen anybody do that before. Like I said, you could like change the colors, and if you want orange or yellow. But I have a separate video taking the headlights apart, and then I have another video where I painted all the inside of the housing. But the lenses are just, I messed them up. I cleaned the inside of the lens because the inside was dirty, and apparently you're not supposed to do that. So most of these, what you see here, is on the inside, but whatever. I'm gonna get aftermarket ones anyways, so this is just kind of something temporary for the next year or so. And yeah, first I'm focusing on performance, and then I'll get like expensive headlights. So stay tuned, lots more to come. Should be getting tuned soon. Just waiting on the intake manifold runners and throttle body that's getting ported. And then once those arrive, we'll be getting tuned by SMP for Performance's tuner. Not 100% sure of the name. It's like at Mastro Tuning or something. But once I do get tuned by him, I'll definitely let you guys know all the info. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.